the porch. Beat out the man in the middle when you know I came to the source. Picture my homie here while I get back and it's giving me more. Came to the tropics for clarity, but I don't fuck a resort. In the jungle, I'm living humble, I'm letting it toward the earth. Yeah, my feet on the dirt. Yeah, so yeah, baby, like I'm here, you know I put in the work. Yeah, I ain't in no wisdom. I beat out the system. My chief got me living into my body, not living against it. You were like I'm in prison. I hope that's offensive. So you can pick up your uncle, walking the novels already written. Then they put on the kid. The ones they convicted. We chose into the mission. Come on, how we living.
Reflections is going on, man. Let me know if we coming in clear. Let me know if we coming in clear, y'all. Peace, peace, peace. What's going on? We're gonna do this lesson for the day. If we coming in clear, though, like, yeah, there you go. Alright, good, good, good. So we're going to start it off. Today we're going to be talking about a holographic universe. Something that I was trying to explain to the minister, the Islamic minister, the Amin, or Aman, about the holographic universe and how the outside, or what appears to be the outside, is truly the inside. Like, there is no outside. We got to get rid of that. And it's very important to understand that, so that when people tell you you need to go within, you know what the hell they talking about. You know what I'm saying? Something like, oh, it starts within you, and whatever happens within you, you know what I'm saying? You gotta, it's an inside job and all this. Ain't no outside. Everything is inside, and we're living in the inside. The outside is an inside, or it's a projection, it's a hologram. And today I'm going to be proving that to you. It's very important to understand that, or understanding reality. With that being stated, we're going to hop right into it. And I'm going to be just giving you a couple of videos here. What the... They didn't save. Oh, man. That's messed up. Alright, so the videos did not save on my shit. So we'll just hop into this then. Hold tight. Put it in a chair. Or a table. Never mind. Since the video ain't pop up, I had saved some videos to show y'all on here. They didn't pop up, so we'll just... Here you go. She got it. Let me bring the laptop. Turn off the comments. And talk about shit. I want you to watch something in this video real quick. Put it on big screen. It's very important to understand this before I point out my points. And all of the people that I was explaining this to, try to break it down to y'all. It's kind of easy to grasp. Right? I'll show you this video. There's certain parts I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to go into is it on the Wi-Fi? Alright, so the external world is the internal world. I want to...
At the instance of seeing, light clusters called photons travel from the object to the eye. The act of seeing is realized progressively. At the instance of seeing, light clusters called photons travel from the object to the eye and pass through the eye lens, where they are refracted and focus on the retina at the back of the eye.
Now notice how everybody leaving the fucking room. Good, leave the room because nobody wants to really learn anything. This is very important shit right here that you need to understand reality from so that you can get out of your situation. But I put it out here and I'm going to continue to teach it because motherfuckers need to understand this shit. This is so important that we be having conversations like we don't know what the fuck going on with our reality. And as soon as I put some real shit on, and there ain't no drama involved, and we ain't talking about no stupid shit to entertain you on some dumb shit, y'all niggas go running around on some stupid shit. Y'all want to go find the stupidest shit. You know what I'm saying? Notice the room how it disappeared. Good. Get the fuck on then. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, nobody wants the truth. Nobody wants to understand what's really the fuck going on out here. Everybody just want to play stupid. Play stupid.
Here, rays are turned into a...
Nobody want to wake the fuck up and pull the veil off their eyes. Everybody want to talk about what's behind the veil. You can't talk to me. You can't fucking fathom my mind. You can't teach me shit. Because at the end of the day, you don't know what the fuck you talk about and you don't know how to look at life. Nothing. You can't teach me shit. Because you don't know how to look at life, motherfucker. How you gonna talk to me? You can't talk to me. You can't teach me shit. Because y'all don't know shit. Y'all don't do no true damn studying. You know what I'm saying? Like, you want to come and ask me and try to argue. Don't argue with me, man. I'm trying to show you reality right here that you cannot deny. This is irrefutable. You can't deny this shit. But nah, y'all don't want to hear this shit. You want to know where Sheba at. Dumb motherfuckers.
To electrical signals and then transmitted by neurons to the center of vision at the back of the brain.
So this is how sight works. It's very important that we understand this. Because this breaks the veil on reality.
About the external world.
How we see. I was trying to tell the Imam the other day, he was pouring water on his face. I was telling him that his brain was encased in darkness, and his brain was telling him what he was feeling and what he was seeing, so that he can understand the concept of Allah from a true perspective. You can't understand the concept of God if you think the external world is some just, the outside and then it's the inside. Bruh, at the end of the day, you have to understand these things to truly understand what Allah is, or what God is, or how these religions is pulling wool over your eyes. But you'll never know because you don't understand how reality works. You don't do no science. This is science right here. It's showing you how your eyeballs work, dog. What you seeing is an illusion. Your eyeballs are connected to your brain, and your brain is encased in darkness. Your eyeballs bring in electrical signals, dog. If your eyeballs are bringing in electrical signals, and your brain is interpreting those electrical signals, and it has never seen the outside because it's encased in darkness in your skull, then how the fuck is that water on your face, Imam? How the fuck is the water really hitting your face? But your brain is giving you the interpretation or the perception that the water is hitting your motherfucking face. So you talking to somebody that's fully awoke. We're not asleep over here. So once you understand the concept of this, then Allah turns into something different. Because Allah cannot be something external of you, because you are the observer, my nigga. And even the idea that someone from the external world told you about Allah is an interpretation within your mind. Everybody you see, everything you hear, everything you touch and taste is a projection within your mind, my nigga. Your brain is giving you the interpretation of that. So how can you say anyone is greater than what you're perceiving and observing? There's nothing greater than you because you're the observer. Without you hearing someone telling you about Allah, someone wrote a book within your mind as a projection in your dream. You're dreaming this shit. You're walking around and then somebody tells you the concept of God, and you choose to believe that without any evidence or true evidence, and your mind starts to make that belief become true. Yet if you understood how reality worked, no one could ever trick you, because you would be fully the fuck awoke. And this is what I'm trying to do to help y'all. I'm trying to give you the honest truth about what the fuck is going on here, so that you can look at reality from a perspective of truth and facts. This is the slow version. I can speed this shit up for you. I can give it straight to you. But this is irrefutable truth. You don't even know how your own body works. You have a brain, you have eyes, you have skin, you have a nervous system, and you do not realize how that shit works. So you walk around with a veil over your eyes, thinking you know what the fuck is going on, and all I'm doing is challenging your views, and can you prove me wrong? No, because you choose to just believe something blindly. And once we believe it, our minds can create fantasy all at once. But once questioned, then we get irritated. Why? Because I'm challenging your dream. I'm challenging your fantasy. And you're upset with me. Why? Don't you want to know the truth? Don't you want to know the truth?
Seeing is realized progressively. At the instance of seeing, light clusters called photons travel from the object to the eye, and then
photons, light clusters called photons, travel, you're not really seeing the object. This is an illusion, right? And so it hits your eye. The photons, the light photons hit your eye, travel through an optical nerve. This is very important. They travel through an optical nerve. Watch.
They pass through the eyelids, where they are refracted and focus on the retina at the back of the eye. Here, rays are turned into electrical signals.
These rays are turned into electrical signals, meaning that what you're seeing is an electrical signal that is perceived by your brain, but your brain is in darkness. We'll keep it going.
And then transmitted by neurons
to the back of your brain.
Center of vision at the back of the brain.
This is very important to understand. Irrefutable knowledge right here. This is how your eyes work. Just your eyes.
The act of seeing actually takes place at this center in the brain. All the images we view in our lives and all the events we experience are actually experienced in this tiny and dark place. Both the film you are now watching,
the phone you have in your hand, your body, all of your feelings, everything that you feel, see, touch, all of your senses are perceptions within your mind. You need to grasp that. That's very important to understand.
and the boundless landscape you see when you gaze at the horizon.
All that you see, that you call creation, is a perception within your mind, because you're observing it. The people in your life are not real. They're projections. You're experiencing a holographic universe. You're in a dream. You're not even here. It's a projection. Once you realize this, then you can start to see life for what it is. Then your mind breaks open. Today I'm going to be teaching you about your program and how to understand why, how are you here, what is this, why certain things are happening in your program. Because your program is a projection of your DNA strand, your genome. You are a program, and your mind is giving you the projection of that program, which is DNA.
Actually fit into this place of a few cubic centimeters.
Now here it comes.
We see.
And this is why I really don't fuck with y'all. Because when I'm telling y'all some real shit, y'all disappear. You understand? But as soon as